Today we'll talk about how can you enable notifications on your School Planner app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on notifications. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on sound and vibration. Just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to show notifications here. Click in this sign. So that like you see this color show for us, that's mean so notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.